Now we learn nouns number. There are two numbers in the English language. They are singular number and plural number. In Marathi also you have learned ekvachan, anekvachan. In Hindi also ekvachan, bahuvachan. So like that it is. Singular number and plural number. Proper noun, material noun and abstract noun have no place number. Common noun have plural number. So proper noun, material noun and abstract noun, they don't have plural number. Plural number. So who is having only common noun is having plural form. Now we'll see what is singular number. This definition along with the examples, this all thing you have to write in your English grammar notebook. Singular number, a noun that indicates only one person or thing, is said to be in the singular number. Now a noun that indicates only one person on a thing. So only one person, a person is sitting on the bench. A person is sleeping. A lady is driving a bicycle. So like that. House, example house, key, person, lady, register, chalk, watch, etc. These are all example of singular number. Now let's see what is plural number. A noun that indicates more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural form. So noun which is indicating one person or thing indicate more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural form. Now we'll see this example only which we have written in singular number. So house, if we add s to this, it will become houses. Key, keys. Person, people. Lady, ladies. Register, registers. Chalk, chalks. If there are 2-3 chalks, so we'll pronounce it chalks. Watch, watches. So this is the plural number. Rules for forming the plural of nouns. Now we'll see rules for forming the plurals of noun by adding an s to the singular. Now when we will add s to a word, it will become a plural number. For example, boy, boys. Dog, dogs. Table, tables. Fruit, fruits. So by adding s to this singular word, it will become what? A plural number it will. Then by adding es to nouns ending in s, double s, sh, ch and x. So for example, bus is given. Now a single bus we call a bus. But if there are many buses, so it will be buses in plural form. So bus is a noun. If we add to this word es, it will become buses. There are many buses at the bus stand. Then is class. One class is there, we will say one class. But if there are 3-4 class, then it will become class. We will say classes. So to this class, when we will add es, it will become classes. brush. Now brush is one single brush, and if there are many brush, then it will become brushes. So the plural form of brush is brushes. The only thing we have to add es after h. Then is church. Now Christian people go in church for prayer. So one church in your area will say one church. But if there are many church in Badlapur, so what we will do? The plural form of church, it will be churches. So only es we have to add. It will give the plural form. After that, box, single box, but many box are there, then it will become boxes. So to this box, if we add es, it will give the plural form of box. By adding es to nouns ending in o and having a consonant before it. Now zero. Now zero is given. One single zero. If many zero are there, then by adding es, it will give the plural form zeros. Hero, heroes. One single hero, but many heroes. Then by adding es, the plural form of hero is heroes. Potato, one single potato. But if we add es to this word, it will become potatoes. Then is cargoes, cargo. If we add es to this word, it will give the plural form cargoes. Next is echo. See, we hear the echo sound. A single sound we hear, but continue we hear the echo sound. So if we add es to echo, it will give the plural form of echo. Then is negroes. Negro, one single person, negro. But if there are many, if we add es to this word negro, it will become negroes. Exception. Dynamo. If we add s to this word, it will become dynamos. Photo, photos. Ratio, ratios. Stereo, stereos. Piano, pianos. Next is if the noun ends in consonant y, change the y to ies to form the plural. For example, baby. Now, baby, baby, the word is given. This is a noun. But if we want to write the plural form of baby, so only one thing we have to do. We have to change this y. So we have to omit this y from here and add to this word babies. So it will become babies. The plural form of baby is babies. Same way, army. In place of this y, we'll omit this y and add to this word IEMS. So it will give the word armies. So army and armies. The plural form is armies. Next is lady. So here also y we will omit and add to this IES. It will become lady, ladies. City. In this also y you have to omit and add to this word IES. So it will become cities. Pony. So here also y you have to omit and add to this word IES. It will become ponies. Next is story. So in this also Why you have to omit and write ies to this word? It will become stories. If a noun ends in ay, ey, uy, oy, then add only s to form the plural. Now let's see. Examples: tray, trays. Only add s to this word, it will give the plural form. Alley, alleys. Key, keys. Play, plays. Gay, gays. Boys, boy, boys. Monkey, monkeys. Donkey, donkeys. So only thing, the word is given, there you have to just add s to that word, it will give the plural form of that noun. Now next is, if it is the noun, if the noun ends in o with a vowel before the o, then the plural is formed by adding s. Igloo. So to this word only we have added s. So igloos is what the plural form of this igloo noun. Next is bamboo. So we'll add only s to this word, it will give us the plural form bamboos. Folio, folios. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Cockatoo, cockatoos. Next is noun ending in f or fe form their plurals by changing the f or fe to ves. Now examples are given. Leaf. So in this leaf, leaf, leaf. So we'll omit this f from here and add here ves. So it will become leaves. So the plural form of leaf is leaves. Then calf, knives, thieves. Self, self. Life, lives. Exception, roof. Here, if such type of words come, so here we cannot add we cannot add ves to this word. So roof, we only have to write s after f, so it will give the plural form. Roof, roofs. Chief, chiefs. Draft, drafts. Hoof, hoofs. Brief, briefs. Save, saves. Save, saves. Compound noun generally form their plural by adding s to the principal word. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. So son-in-law, so to this son we will add s and it will become what? Sons-in-law. Commander-in-chief, commanders-in-chief. So to this commander we will add, this is the principal word, and to this commander we will add s. So it will give the plural form commander-in-chief. Passer by, passers by. Step son, step sons. Governor general, governor general. So to governor, this is the principal word, we will add s to that word, it will become governor general, plural form. Some exceptional formation of plurals. Foot, feet. Child, children. Man, men. Loose, lies. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Woman, woman. Ox, oxen. Brother, brethren, or brothers also we can write. Tooth, teeth. Nouns that do not change in the plural. Ship, ship. Deer, deer. Aircraft, aircraft. Swine, swine. Hare, hare. Offspring, offspring. So we did not have to add any word to make the plural form of this. Some irregular plurals. These nouns which form the plurals are mostly of foreign origin. Words ending in is, axis, axis, crisis, crisis, basis, basis, osseous, osseous, analyst, analyst. Then words ending in us, stimulus, stimuli, radius, ready, terminus, termini, syllabus, syllabi. So in place of us, this us will be removed while writing the plural form of such word. Now words ending in So in this what we will do? We will omit this and write in that place a. So datum, data. Agendum, agenda, agenda. Medium, media. Words ending in on. Criterion. So on we will omit and write in that place a. So it will give the plural form of criterion, criteria. Phenomenon. So on we will omit and in place of this we will write a. So this will become the plural form of phenomenon. Some nouns which are always used in plural. Scissors, trousers, jeans, pants, tongs, fireworks, series, etc. Some nouns appears to be in the plural but are always singular. Physics, politics, civics, ethics, mathematics, news, economics, etc. So there are some words plural also and some singular also. Some plural word they will remain like that. Some nouns which will remain in plural form only. Then some nouns will be in the plural but they are always singular. Physics. So physics is one single word. Politics also single word. Mathematics is also single word. So this definition and example to this you have to write in your English grammar notebook and do your homework submission on my WhatsApp number. This much for the day. Thank you so much.